Welcome to another talk session with IPSA. Today I have with me Ms. Nirupma Arora. She is the cluster manager for all Noida centers. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hello Shivanjali, thank you for inviting me.
The pleasure is all mine ma'am. Thank you for taking your time to come here and share your insights with us. I will be asking you a couple of questions. Are you ready for that?
Sure.
So my first question to you is, like I ask everybody, is what is that new thing that you've learned during this time?
I've brushed up my technical skills, and I have also picked up gardening as a skill, and I would love to incorporate this once the children are back with us. And I feel it's very important to be in sync with nature.
That's true, ma'am. And I'd also love to join you when you start these gardening sessions in your center.
Yes, we're always together.
So let's begin with our set of questions. They are mainly revolving around the need and importance of daycare. Okay. So, what according to you is the main takeaway for a child when the child is coming to a daycare?
See, IPSA daycare for a child is home away from home. This is their second home, and it is based on the core values. It is based on the core values which our founders have very passionately incorporated.
Very true, ma'am. And you know, when the child is coming to the center, they are meeting with their friends, their peer group. Do you think a child picks up habits faster when they're with their children, when they're with the other children, when they're with their friends? Do you think that the child is able to learn things quicker that way?
Definitely, the child develops the social skills when the child is at the daycare, which is otherwise not possible. Otherwise it's a challenge rather in nuclear families. And slowly the children, they get into a routine, and then they are able to form the habits. That is how. And the learning is every day it's a learning. Every activity that they do, it's a learning activity. And they learn to, yes, when they are interacting with each other, they are learning to do the activities and.
So I agree with you, like seeing is doing. This is from my personal experience as well, like seeing is doing, and obviously peer group influences and speeds up the process for the child's learning.
Very true.
The child contributes.
Yes, very true. The child learns what they see.
Yeah. Okay, moving on. Do you think staying at home has affected the social learning of a child? All the social skills are getting impacted because the children are at home?
Yes, see, this is the unprecedented time, and the child has the lack of access to their peers, to the mentors, to the safe space and the services that the daycare provide. Though our academic team is trying to bridge this gap, they are curating the e-learning every day for all our age group children.
Okay. I want to know one thing, which is that when the children are coming to the daycare, they are spending a lot of time with the mentors. About 8 to 9 hours every mentor is giving to the children, where they are learning different skills, be it academic skills or social skills or emotional skills. But when this shift is on the online learning, I feel that the daycare routines suffer a bit. Also, given the problem of the time constraint on online learning, do you agree with this, that does time constraint of online learning interferes in the growth of a child?
Yes, of course, because time is a challenge. As the parents are also working from home, the availability is limited, right? And for the e-learning, the parents need to assist the child. The parents need to be there with the child and help him in doing the activities that is being done over there. So yes, it does help. And of course, we are trying to maintain the learning curve of the child. And of course, we look forward to reopening of our centers and to have all our children back at all our centers. And for this, we are all geared up with the help of the regular trainings and the guidelines to reopen our centers.
So I think I'd like to, I don't know if I'm right, but the time constraint is also the problem, and also the availability of the child and the parents to reach out.
That's what you said. That is the availability of the parent matters, and the parent need to assist the child in e-learning process.
Great. So, ma'am, we're done. And thank you for your time. Thank you for being here and sharing your experiences and thoughts with us.
My pleasure, Shivanshi. So,
I wish you happiness and health. Till then, bye.
thank you.